This is Perley Johnson with the local news. Researchers for the Massachusetts Turnpike Authority found over 200 dead crows near Greater Boston recently. The cause of death appeared to be vehicular impact. The state determined that 98% of the dead crows had been killed by trucks, while only 2% were killed by car. Scientists quickly concluded the cause. When crows eat roadkill, they always have a lookout crow in a nearby tree to warn of impending danger. The conclusion was that while all lookout crows could say car, none could say truck. In other news, now that the Boy Scouts of America are letting gays into their group, they have to figure out a name change for Weeblos. This is Perley Johnson with the local news.